How to edit or change your banner, image, color, or upload a photo. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your banner on Discord in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Discord. This is the homepage as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do to change your banner color on Discord is go down and click on this option. Now it will take you to this page. Now right here choose user profile, the third option, and it will take you to this page. Now right here click on this pencil here again and click profile color and choose the color that you want from here. For example, I'm gonna choose purple and click select, and it's changed. And if you want to upload a photo, you need to unlock with the Nitro. As you can see, you need the paid version of Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching till the end.